This is lesson 59, and it is fractions equal to 1 or subtracting a fraction from 1. So fractions equal to 1 or subtracting a fraction from 1. All right, so our first problem is going to be 1/4 plus 3/4. And with addition, we just add across the top. So 1 plus 3 is 4. We bring our denominator over, and it's 4/4, which actually equals 1. So 1 should be your final answer. All right, the second one, we're going to compare the fraction 4 3/3 and 5. So we want to know less than, greater than, or equal to. So if we look at this, we have 4. 4 we already know is less than 5, but we have 3/3. 3/3 is equal to 1. So we actually have 4 plus 1, which is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. So equal to would be our sign in there. Okay, and the next one we have 1 1/2 plus 1 1/2. So we have 1 1/2 plus 1 1/2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're going to have 2 over 2 is the fraction, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 and 2 over 2. And we know that 2 over 2 actually equals 1, so it will be 2 plus 1. Our final answer is 3. And then our last problem is going to be 1 minus 1/3. 1 minus 1/3. We're up over here. Right, so we can't take 1 from 1/3. We need to turn 1 into a fraction. And because this denominator is 3, we need to turn it into a fraction of thirds. So it was going to be 3 over 3, because that's equal to 1, minus 1/3. So then 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring down our denominator. So our final answer is 2/3. So anytime we see the same number over each other, it's equal to 1, because if we have 4 out of 4, that's 1. And then 3 out of 3 is 1. We add that to our whole number, and we get a new whole number. And the same thing we did down here. And then over there, we cannot add or subtract a whole number from a fraction. We need to turn the whole number into a fraction, and we turn it into a fraction using the denominator of our fraction that we've already been given. And that's fractions equal to 1 and subtracting a fraction from 1.